Hey there, welcome back to the AGF Design Studio channel. My name's Alana, and today's video is going to be all about backing up and saving your artwork, specifically for those of you who use Procreate. Okay, so before we jump in, I'm just going to show you guys here on the screen an overview of my setup so you know what kinds of devices and software that I have. If you are an iPad or Apple device user, you might know that your devices come with an app called Files. The Files app is an app that allows you to manage your files across your Apple devices. You can locate files easily from any of your devices using this app. When you open the Files app, you'll see a section called Locations. The iCloud Drive tab shows you all of the files stored across your devices. Any edits that you make will be updated across your devices. The next tab is the name of the device that you're currently using. So for example, this says on my iPad. Everything you see here will show you the files that you have saved locally on your device. Some folders will automatically populate here depending on what apps you already have installed. Once you're done with your work in Procreate, you can simply save your file as a Procreate file by going to Share and selecting Procreate. The image will export, a secondary menu will open, and then you can hit Save to Files. Here you'll be able to navigate to the folder that you want to save your work into. This is where it becomes handy to have a pre-named folder called Procreate already ready to go. Just as a note, Procreate files can only be read by the Procreate app, so I recommend always having duplicates of your files saved. So for example, a Procreate version and a JPEG or PDF as well that can be read in other applications outside of Procreate, just in case you want to print it or open it in another application. So you might be wondering, what other options are there? Well, you could choose an external drive service like Dropbox or Google Drive to also save your files. I personally use Dropbox. You can download the Dropbox app onto your iPad and it'll be available under the Locations tab as long as you have it toggled on. To do this, you can just tap the three-dot icon on the top right-hand corner of the sidebar and activate or deactivate whichever folders you'd like to show. The process for saving your files to Dropbox is similar to saving your files to the iCloud Drive. Simply select Share, select your file type, and then save it to the Dropbox app. To open a split view screen, simply touch, hold, and swipe up on the bottom of your screen. From there, you can drag your files icon to open up a split screen view. Make sure you double check that you're dragging into the correct location in your iCloud Drive. From there, you can simply touch, drag, and drop individual or stacks of files into your iCloud Drive. From your gallery view, you have the option to bulk export and save your files by tapping Select and choosing the files that you'd like to export and save. Once you've selected your files, simply hit Share, and from there choose your file format. In this case, it'll be Procreate. Your iCloud backup is supposed to be a duplicate of your device, so in this case my iPad, and all of its settings from apps to preferences. You should also be backing up your entire device on a regular schedule just to make sure that nothing gets lost accidentally when transferring or upgrading devices. You can hit Backup Now to perform a backup over Wi-Fi, or you can connect your iPad to your Mac and back it up from there. You'll also want to make sure that you have Procreate toggled on in the iCloud section. This will make sure that your app data gets saved. Another thing to be mindful of is to make sure that you've reviewed your Procreate settings on your iPad. To do this, you can go to the Help tab and select Advanced Settings. Here you'll be able to see settings like your drag and drop export settings, and you also have the option to look at your document storage. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hit like, share, leave a comment. Subscribe if you haven't already for weekly content. Thank you so much for all your support, and I'll see you guys in the next one.